na Outspaiso ena VTFM. Ebito konikina.
Opunja celebrating 90 years.
Kay Vinod Patel.
VTFM ekamida ngekachi.
Arbinaka bikim ni turana marama dor borong leo bikim ni rongone ni arbinaka bitoka ni nabagata misinga. Bikim ni na sate buta kata chikana matakango ni arbinaka dabi tolinguni sala.
Gori.
Bikim ni sama chikana dabi tolinguni sala ni andri mat arbinaka samu. Arbinaka demesi.
Good morning and welcome to YouTube.
Welcome to Bluetooth and to all the people tuning in this wonderful morning from inside the bus, inside the taxi, inside the own Itauke Tolili, and to all the people who fishing in the boat. Thank you very much for tuning in this wonderful and greatness morning.
Okay.
Right.
Well, good morning to everyone. Good morning to you, and thank you very much for the wonderful morning, for the maintaining of discipline. Without discipline in our life, we will be super glue. Uncontrolled.
Super glue.
Nasini ndandi. Our life is like a coconut from the seashell. Diriani, dirimai, you'll float, gone, and move.
Taking by the current of the
Yes.
Arbinaka bikim ni lebih tokan wilmain mataka ni kuah na bi company security, na bi base ni taxi ni sama cukumain na minivan na super sorry corridor. Bikim ni ngolata kami suba ngolo so begina sa para balau toka no sorry korbo ndavo nonguria. Arburu bi tokan ni arbinaka turang night mail ya dalevo arburu bi tokan na mataka ni kuah. Kira bi talo cukup takin temes na bi singa sao si na ngauna ni programo na data programo. Ada bi kabe ona kira bitu. Kira talo takin sukiran ton washing machine. This is built especially for us humans.
Okay.
Iyo. Yung sa sin lang na bathroom. You don't have to go to the bathroom. Kiko sa sili when you go to have your shower or bath.
Yes.
Yung sa mango, ausana la ko na washing machine.
Washing machine.
This washing machine is built for like mentally sirikina.
Okay.
Iyo. Baka chukan to na kona boombox singori.
Iya.
Baka chukan to na silinda baka taburi pamba sanga ililo both sides.
Embuli may chaban.
Made in Japan.
Yeah.
Tell the story about the washing
This
machine.
is a washing machine that made in Japan.
Iya.
His job, his responsibility to wash you.
Oi.
You know, washing machine focus only on the clothes, the normal one.
Yeah.
But this one to wash you. Menom kan sisili. You just like this. You remove everything, and you fly without wings. Baka montolam satu, and he shoot in different angle the water.
Iya.
He will soap you. He will wash you.
Iya.
He will dig you.
Digi.
Iya.
Digi no.
No, digi. May bako ni kunita ka ng batin sa remo. Digi.
Ano man sa Kelly ko talaga.
Kelly may bubunawa.
Pero tukod sila ba kami nakanta na nabika na misi di ba kalibili sa pagting tunan burbur na ngono. So it's made in Japan. Sa pagting chumitsapa na ngono ko. Oh, kiron demis.
And you
it's
have to do
by
that.
what?
It's operated by machine.
Iya.
So you
Liba.
Yeah. You no need to soap you.
Iya.
Your hands behind your back here.
Iyo.
Kirkirwa mo. Or leg behind your knees.
Yeah.
No. Or hair. He will do everything.
Iya.
The job of use.
Iyo.
Nano mo job. He will do.
Boy, yaw sarang.
All you have to do is lang sere inside.
Lang sere ko rubila ka tunda sere rumbila ka sa mura ka tunda lang sere. So the very funny thing about this,
Yeah.
I was like this when this one they want to install from Japan. I was like this. What about us men?
Yeah.
Us men, we will be inside because when we see a washing machine, the propeller is downward.
Propeller.
The propeller kung dawin
Belum na NC na ito.
My imagination is going beyond.
Iya. Dina.
Na propeller kung titigura kung dawin, that's where na kung dawin to yapal niway. And as human being,
Yeah.
it's good for men upward.
Yeah.
And the chest going down.
Yeah.
It's very corresponding. Because you know, the kind of washing machine. Maybe they made in a proper way that fits anybody.
Kaya nando washing machine men nando tadi may kasi may lolombo.
Iya.
Nando washing machine kaya normal siguro na propeller. Nando washing machine kaya na may silikina. Na chika na bad na propeller may tos na kami bagalay.
Tos na kami may musukan na kele-kele. Muna may
siwabok.
Farasiko rabu. Mula na ka farasiko rabu may napunole bu Amerika. Thank you very much for joining this morning. And one of our family too, joining from Naisongoba Unrabo Tailem. Mairini tinay ulay and Timoto Bolendo tinay kay Tamayeli kito boleh benakan. Thank you.
Perintah kan libo-libo, it's powered by electricity.
Automatic.
Patakin bikai ko laku durman lo mani washing machine ko no mobile siligo. Kakek sabar nga. So when you inside, you will feel the hot water, the cold water, and the tangi.
Boy.
Baka more dry.
You don't need to dry yourself.
You need to dry. Kung kay dry taki ko nga. Sula man tang bibigo na vaseline na way. Sila bibigo na vaseline na patake na way.
You like?
Konta ko na music, na love song. Gay lo aboki. Ini lo aboki na.
Washing machine. Mo tinindo nga na bida nga na bagami ko sana tsugi bichi. Asa kira keda na kenda nando ni boro na bita fem sa solirawa. Mo nga sa to makira mata ni machine sa ul sarama ni tamayaw.
Tamaya. Napaka-record ito tinayaw sa nalakiwela ti ko na
may tumbo lang na sa nimbili. Boleh menatalingu be Salote siya sa tumingo from Salote Bakauta joining all the way from Benga. Thank you. Tabale boleh menatalingu.
I think it's a good idea. Good machine. Balatan isang nabang tanga kinaway. Abang tagtalang kinatangi. Sini balu siway.
Kaya mo malagor sa makanasabi ni mo toka ko tumibalang.
Vacuum cleaner.
Same principle. Same principle. Iko nga mo chiko lo mani vacuum, paka mo chiko lo mani silinda. Kakek sangke taka chiko. Kanga taka mo washing machine. Ana tabi ko bir taka bibigo na wai. Na sobu.
Water.
Kakek.
Muka mena water.
So you'll
Tamale. Mena air.
You have to hands up.
More air.
More air me buka.
You have to hands up and you tell me. Rub me.
Ko na kamay.
Keve.
He will be made according to what you want. He will do everything.
Right.
Oh, you just relax. You just take your phone and watch you.
By the time you're inside, the thing is automatic clock,
You just take your phone and video call. That's a new washing machine,
The thing inside will automatic clock. And it'll be timing, for the timing that you'll go finish your shower, then he'll open the door. And by the time you not tell him, hey, scrub me. You not tell him to...
Ano ba mengo washing machine? The Messi lie down.
Bitalia sar kaya boleh man nontonan raw na undol. Doon rin din nakamoro na washing machine. Allah mo wanden re taka tu kina nogusil. Lawa sa tagi jara ba kami pakai bos tu be induan rombula bata. Ata mo wanden re taka tu kina nogusil. Ode oi ko may pakatawa ta tu nogusil.
Nang wani may mali. Sa pa mal na washing machine. Gorro sabi pa.
Kita makin 60 kau sama talindrendre. Dai bosan ni buas sini sa mamay. Saan dondong ngamen ako spay. Magapapa from Gisborne, Michigan. Noni Buata, Bula Menaka, John Kumar, Bulabai, Loading Golikoro. Thank you very much for joining.
So, which one do you like? The machine? You like that machine, the washing machine, the silly machine, or the bathtub?
Oh, binana bathtub. Binana bathtub.
Why? What's the reason?
The reason is bathtub is for relaxing.
Okay.
Bus tu kiri lama na sobu. Buni taki ba binaka.
Nung bathtub, may beauty pasin ngunsal, ruko buni mango.
Pasin ngunsal, may live taki. May live na gift. Hey, thank you very much for that kind of machine. We will be ready. As soon as possible, they will come into our place. Now you see one machine used for digging, mo kantete. Kosa screw, baka tu na karibuaka. Bu.
Dire sar. Kaya wala nga sana siguro nito na machine.
Bukanto.
Kaya to ba nito na kinto sabi talo takot.
Bitalo takot. Don't kuna kita dalta, don't surprise to see the machineries.
Don't mo binak.
Will be around Chuba and for the first one, will be maybe we'll take it to one carnival.
Carnival
me stage me tahu taki.
Hey, ada benak kami siapa Tony? Ada benak kami Su.
Thank you very much, Punjas and Vinod Patel for the supporting Punjas and Vinod Patel.
Lala, ya bikin nino kada na vi kas tu nanti buru-buru nangongo tapi matanggal telefoni.
Kori.
Satu go.
Sa tong mai bitu ko na kan sarap no lealo na ko na robot
Iya.
ko na robot koli.
Iya.
Ya tumibi.
Ko ma display tek mai nanti.
Ui.
Na bula sauti pe sama ta bitu sauti.
Ya. Arif.
Tu to na kan na
Chain.
Chain. Ko ta ko tu ko buengo.
Robot cuna koli.
Iya, robot cina koli.
Ya bikin nino kada rabi kasa coach kada kilo buru-buru nangongo. Dari cuna buru-buru sakali licu ngama. Yana bina ke sketch roko.
Iya.
Belum nak ke kelas walu ada JNJ. Jokan Primary School ya nabu karunisi lebih terungi. Tokana isup head nama tagdi ko ada bina kada bina
Kori
kada.
buli kira na bungon toto mo.
Bos ni tongia na karabiabi. Na singa ni kuah.
Karabi.
Ko nga Oda ko bawi taviro. Ada bina kada re.
Bulare.
Ada re.
Donge a yellow day talengan ni Fiji Day.
Right.
Isa.
Isa bikin nino lebih.
Kimi ni Kantabu.
Oi.
For the semi-final today against Oro semi-final kaidi.
Gori.
Kantabu, Orewa, Nabosa,
Tapi uni.
pati kita biun. Yo Oro semi-final kita biun.
Iya.
Waduh dudak.
Kantabu, ako Kantabu.
Naisau ada bina. Iya, pokoknya nak bikin ni na itu betul na bukan na tokol sino lebenta. Na karuni sing lebih torong ibiran iya na sing binang ni kuah. Kita suruh meta baik ke, meta matakan like hat matakan share. Go kurmundu.